Hello kids, let's learn some shapes and color name. These are our shapes and these are our colors. It is green color, green, green color. Yellow, yellow, yellow color. Red, red color. Blue, blue color. Orange, orange. Purple, purple color. Let's draw these shapes. This is black color. This is cross. This is hexagon. This is square. This is heart. It is trapezoid. It is rhombus or diamond. Let us color these shapes. It is purple color. It is cross. It looks like addition symbol. It is green color. It is trapezoid. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Yellow color. It is square and it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and all sides are equal. It is red color. It is heart. Heart is a shape. It is blue color. It is hexagon. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Orange color. It is rhombus or diamond. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Let us recall shapes and colors name once again. Cross, purple color. Cross, purple color. hexagon blue color, square yellow color, heart red color, trapezoid green color, rhombus or diamond orange color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.